With the holidays behind us and a new year already begun, it's not too late to think about what you want to accomplish this year. Consider setting a financial New Year's resolution. This might include paying off debt, balancing your budget, or establishing an emergency fund. By following these financial tips, you can maintain healthy money management during the new year. Many of us want 2014 to be the year we get debt-free. But with the average American household owing close to $7,000 in credit card debt, it's not easy. The first step is to stop using credit. Take your credit cards out of your wallet or purse, freeze them on a block of ice, or cut them up. Then review your credit card statements or pull your credit report to find out how much you owe. Review your spending habits and cut back wherever you can. Use the money you save by making cuts to aggressively pay off debt. Once you pay off the debt, you can put your money towards goals like buying a home or taking a vacation. Part of your financial New Year's resolution may include balancing your monthly household budget, reviewing your bills to look for any additional or hidden fees. Sometimes we pay for things on our cell phone bills, cable bills, and other utilities that we don't need or want. If you find these fees, contact your provider to have them removed. You can also use this time to shop for other providers to save money. If you don't already have one, make 2014 the year to start an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a must-have in the current economic climate, where the unexpected is very expected. Job loss, divorces, and medical issues can derail your finances quickly. Financial experts recommend that people maintain a cash reserve large enough to cover 3 to 6 months worth of household expenses. You can set up an emergency fund by opening a savings account, setting automatic deposits, and not withdrawing money from that account. Before you know it, you'll have enough money in the account and you can sleep better at night. By keeping these resolutions, you can make 2014 a financially happy new year. Stay tuned next month when we'll discuss the difference between banks and credit unions. Until then, I'm Richard Reeve, and you can bank on this.